Welcome back to the Decentralized Frontier. I'm Alice.
And I'm Mark. It's November 26, 2025, and the crypto market is still licking some pretty deep wounds. Bitcoin's down from 120K plus to under 90K, more than $1.3 trillion wiped out in a month. Brutal. But today, we're zooming in on one top 10 coin that's refusing to die. TRON, or TRX.
Ninth largest crypto by market cap, sitting at roughly $26 billion right now, and somehow holding the $27 to $28 zone while everything else gets obliterated. So let's break it down. Segment 1, market standing and price outlook.
You hear Ethereum, Solana, maybe Sui or Aptos nonstop, but quietly, TRON has been one of the very few altcoins that actually outperformed Bitcoin over the past 18 months. There's this weird invisible ceiling in the TRX BTC pair that just won't break lower.
As of today, TRX is trading right around $27.5. It's stuck below the 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages, classic bearish structure. But the oscillators are screaming oversold.
RSI is down at 28, 29.7, depending on the exchange. That's deep oversold territory. Historically, when TRX gets this stretched, we see sharp relief bounces.
Short-term models are eyeing $30 to $35 if Bitcoin just stops bleeding. Immediate resistance sits at the Ichimoku Kijun line at around $28.6.
Longer term, one AI research shop, Meika, is throwing out wild targets. 40 cents this month, 69 cents in 3 years, and $1 in 5. Take that with a mountain of salt, but it shows the bull case exists.
And on the 3-day chart, we're seeing a beautiful bullish RSI divergence. That pattern usually shows up near the end of a big correction. So technically, things actually look constructive. Segment 2, the real engine, stablecoins and payments.
Charts are fun, but TRON's real superpower is on-chain activity, and it's not even close.
TRON carries more than 25% of all stablecoins in existence. USDT on TRON alone passed $80 billion in supply back in July. It is, hands down, the dominant settlement layer for stablecoin transfers worldwide.
Why? Speed and cost. I talked to a small business owner in Southeast Asia. He sends payments to suppliers instantly on TRON, no paperwork, no 3-day bank delays, pennies in fees. That real-world utility is generating almost $7 million in daily protocol revenue right now.
346 million total accounts, and when you look at daily active addresses, TRON is consistently battling BNB Chain for first place, beating Solana, Polygon, even Bitcoin most days. This isn't a ghost chain.
Exactly. TRX isn't just a speculative token, it's the fuel for one of crypto's busiest payment highways.
Segment 3, ecosystem growth and interoperability. DeFi on TRON is no joke either. JustLend DAO, their flagship lending protocol, just crossed $6.28 billion TVL with almost 500,000 users. That's sticky capital that keeps demanding TRX for gas and collateral.
And the interoperability news keeps rolling in. THORWallet DEX just went live with native TRON support. You can now swap TRC20 USDT directly with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BSC, all inside the app. No bridges, no custodians. Powered by THORChain and Near Intents. Huge liquidity unlock.
And OKX added TRX to their auto-earn trading collateral. So your TRX earns yield while it's still being usable for margin. And on the dev side, TRON DAO and MetaMask just co-hosted a builder night in Buenos Aires. Plus, they're launching TRON Academy courses at Harvard, Columbia, and Berkeley. They're seriously investing in the next wave of builders. Segment 4, the Justin Sun risk premium.
All right, time to address the elephant in the room. Justin Sun.
You can't talk TRON without talking founder risk. Sun is still facing massive legal and political heat. Just this month, a Dubai court reportedly froze $456 million tied to an emergency bailout of TrueUSD TUSD reserves. There are financial links between TUSD vehicles and TRON's own algorithmic stablecoin, USDD, so any TUSD contagion could hit TRON hard.
USDD claims over-collateralization and has an AA rating from Certique, but confidence is fragile in this space. Separately, a U.S. House Democrat staff report called out Justin Sun for allegedly committing $75 million to Trump-related financial ventures. That kind of political spotlight rarely ends well.
And then there's the concentration issue. Reports suggest Sun or related entities control 60 to 63% of circulating TRX. That's a governance red flag and a giant liquidation risk if regulators ever freeze those wallets.
So yeah, the Justin Sun risk premium is real and it's baked into the price. Tomorrow, November 27th, he's holding a press conference about the TUSD situation. That single event could swing sentiment hard in either direction.
Segment 5. TRON and the Web3 gambling boom.
One sector where TRON is absolutely crushing it: online gambling and crypto casinos.
Fast deposits, instant withdrawals, sub-cent fees, provably fair smart contract games. TRON was basically built for this. You're seeing dozens of top-tiered platforms go all in.
BC.game, 8,000 plus games, 200% welcome bonus. Lucky Block, 200% up to 25,000 euros, plus Telegram integration. Jackbit, CoinKings, Mbit, MetaWin, the list is massive. A lot of these casinos run primarily on TRON or heavily support TRC20 tokens because the economics just make sense.
High-volume betting needs cheap, fast rails. TRON delivers that better than almost anyone right now. Conclusion. So where does that leave us, Mark?
A tale of two TRONs. On one side, dominant stablecoin rail, exploding DeFi TVL, real daily usage, growing interoperability, and a gambling sector that loves it. On the other, heavy centralization, serious founder risk, and a price that's technically oversold but still tied to Bitcoin's fate.
If $27 holds and we get even semi-positive news from Justin tomorrow, that relief rally to $35 plus is very much on the table. But ignore the risk side at your peril. This is still one of the most idiosyncratic big cap coins out there.
100%. Utility versus regulatory or centralization risk. Classic late 2025 crypto story. That's all for today on the Decentralized Frontier.
As always, nothing we said is financial advice. Do your own research, manage your risk. We'll catch you in the next one.
See you out there.